This video demonstrates our new app, the Engine Tester. This app allows the user to quickly determine whether a car has a fault or is healthy by recording a 10-second sound clip from the exhaust. Let's begin the demonstration. Here we see Patrick, the mechanic who introduced this concept, using the app to test a healthy vehicle. First, he enters the car details into the app. He then proceeds to use the app to analyze the sound emitted from the exhaust. We now see the app reporting a positive result indicating a healthy engine. Patrick will now introduce a fault into the engine so we can test an unhealthy vehicle. You will now begin testing the unhealthy vehicle so we can see the result. The app is recording a 10-second sound clip and analyzing the results. And there we have it, a negative result indicating a faulty engine. The engine tester also includes a useful checklist function. The checklist function can be used to check the car for common problems. This is especially useful if you're purchasing a used vehicle. On the checklist screen, the user is able to tap each item for further instructions. As they complete each task, the user is able to check off the items. Thank you for watching. We hope our app is able to assist you in the future, whether you're considering purchasing a used car or just wish to maintain your own car. For more information, please see www.theenginetester.com.